Back with another episode of Just Copped It. It's been a while. Lots of things going on in my life, lots of big changes, but I'm back, I'm happy, I'm ready, and I'm so excited to show you all these. It's been quite some time since I've been motivated. I felt compelled to buy a pair of sneakers, and from the moment I seen these, I knew I had to have them. My only reservations was wondering if they were gonna weigh a ton. Are they gonna look huge on my feet? I'm a size 12. Are they gonna look ginormous? But I seen them. I had to have them. I got them. They're not as heavy as I thought they would be. They're not weighing me down. They look so good on foot. With no further ado, this is the Sculpt 1 by Pyer Moss. Their first mainline sneaker after years of collaborations, most notably with Reebok, and really being one of the driving forces keeping Reebok's name relevant and on people's feet and in conversations with the big dogs. I'm so excited for these. They look so good. They're so futuristic. They belong in another galaxy, in another time. I imagine myself wearing these in the year 3050 when I'm living on a satellite because we destroyed the Earth. This is the sneaker I would be wearing. It's so comfortable. It looks so good on foot. It doesn't weigh a ton, surprisingly. I don't know how they did that. Shout out to them. This sneaker was designed in collaboration with Evan Belforti, footwear designer at Reebok. It was originally debuted last year at Paris Fashion Week. And it's an amazing design. And it really reminds me of a prototype car design, which makes sense given the fact that Kirby is a car enthusiast. There are certain sneakers that make you feel better about yourself, make you feel like you have the extra pep in your step. You know you're fresh, you know you're killing, and you just feel good about yourself. This is one of those sneakers, and I haven't worn them for a full day yet, mainly because I wanted to keep them fresh because I wanted to present them in this pristine condition. But these are amazing. Laceless, little pull joint here. That new sneaker smells better than new car. This kind of has new car smell. It's probably an unintentional coincidence, but it has new car smell. And I love this mix of these curves with this hard line on the toe here. Let me get that focus for you. Yeah, this sneaker's hard. It's hard. And Kirby was recently appointed as the VP of Creative Direction at Reebok, which is a very, very, very well-deserved appointment. And it honestly just has me more excited to see what comes next. It's just my only issue with this sneaker is that there's another colorway. There's another colorway, and I want that colorway. But I'm trying to be fiscally responsible. I'm trying to make smart decisions. I'm trying not to spend foolishly or recklessly. And my biggest problem is that there's another colorway. And probably the even bigger problem is that I can convince myself that I should also get that colorway. I mean, you look good, you look good, you feel good, you perform good. You know what I'm saying? It's an investment in myself so that I can perform at a peak level, and therefore it won't be considered fiscally irresponsible. Like, that's my problem. I'll justify it. I'm on that type of time. And I just haven't felt that way, honestly. I mean, a lot of dope sneakers have come out in recent years. The whole Nike SB craze is going on again. But I haven't felt compelled to go out and spend my hard-earned money on anything new. Not because I don't like it, but I just haven't felt that like I need to have them the way that I felt with these. And I'm really satisfied. I'm really happy I got these. Let's see them on feet.